82% of women are not satisfied with their partners, which leads to divorce. Often, men seem to be not in the mood, which can make partners think, maybe my husband doesn't find me attractive or doesn't want to be close. This misunderstanding can sometimes lead to extramarital affairs and divorce, as women may feel dissatisfied with their partners, but 9 out of 10 times, women don't realize the real reason. It's not just about mood, there are actual physical issues at play. As men age, their testosterone levels drop, which lowers libido and affects their mood. Cardiovascular problems, diabetes, high blood pressure, and stress also contribute. Lower libido and erectile dysfunction are major issues that can impact performance and satisfaction. However, women can help their partners and save their relationship with backtoteens by Zeroharm. This is a 100% plant-based solution that targets low testosterone levels, enhances libido, and improves sexual performance. It contains Maca root, which helps fight stress and anxiety and improves mood. Goat weed, which increases blood flow to the genital area. Safed Musli, which boosts testosterone production and stamina. The formula is nano-formulated for easy absorption by the body. Taking it twice a day, 30 minutes before breakfast and dinner, will not only improve performance but will boost energy levels by 2x. Over 2 lakh couples have seen positive changes in their relationships with this product. Bring back to teens home today.